Okay, good morning everyone.
Good
Good
morning po,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Yes, it's already March 1. So, this is the last week of our Mathematics 7. So, next week, prepare kayo sa ating examination ng ating Math 7. Okay, since it is already last week of our Math 7 class, I hope everyone will participate, especially in our discussions, so that we could have our active participation during classes. So let's begin immediately with our activity for this morning. Today, we will be learning the continuation of solving linear equations inequalities in one variable. So, para lang din siyang lesson natin last week, kaso lang meron siyang dinagdag na solving through um, showing solutions in a graphical illustration, or in other words, gagamit tayo ng graph na tinatawag. So to continue with module number 9, we will have the first game, which is the pre-test. It is a quiz game show for 10 items for 10 minutes. So I'll be sending the link. Just give me a minute. So, sabihin po ng pre-test, it is not recorded, nor you don't need to make it perfect as long as you have the answer. But make it serious naman po. Wag naman po magbilis-bilis pindot-pindot lang ng kung ano-ano dyan. Okay? So, here's the link for our pre-test. Please click the link on the chat box. Okay, your time starts now. To those who came in late, please click the link on the chat box that I'll be sending. It is a pre-test activity, meaning you don't need to make it perfect as long as you have the answer. Okay, for the checking of attendance, recognizing we have Agileo, Angel, Asnya, Astral, Carl, Demifay, Ayan, John Michael, Matthew, Pearl, and Zid. We are 15 all in all on these classes. Okay, Ayan, don't worry. The link will be there all throughout this day. So don't, maybe you could use that one on time wherein the internet is fast. Okay, you have 7 minutes left. Okay, type done if you're done. Kung tapos na po, pwede po kayong mag-chat sa chat box ng done so that I know. And tell me your scores na rin po by chatting it down. Sige, ma'am. Basta ka mo, Diyos, may mag-click ka, ma'am. Ano siya? Click. Hindi na nalita. Okay, may natapos na po. Please tell me your scores. So, tingnan natin. That's 100 points each ata per question. So, probably if you got it 800, so 8 points po kayo. 7 points kay Jan Michael, 6 kay Asnia, 9 kay Adelio. Wow, very good. Asral, 834. Okay, last 2 minutes. Jan Sander, 685. Zid is 325. Okay, don't worry. We don't need to make it perfect naman eh. It's not recorded. It's just pretest. It is just to find out kung may nalalaman ba kayo sa lesson natin this morning. Angel got 1,000. So probably makakuha siya ng mataas na score. Okay, okay. So let's stop na siguro. So to those who are still answering, please continue. Okay, let's have now the lesson proper of this lesson today. So we will be learning about we are still on module number 9, the solving linear equations inequalities in one variable. But here we will be defining first terms that are very useful in this lesson. The first one is the word absolute value. From the word absolute, that is exactly what it is. Para siyang ganun. Absolutely. Exactly what it is. Para siyang ganyan. Okay, when you say absolute value of a number, it is the distance on a number line between the number and the zero without any regards to direction. Ano po ibig sabihin yan? We're talking about here about distance. Pag sinabi mo absolute value. Now, if I am going to ask you about this, gaano po ba kalayo ang bahay nyo papunta sa eskwelahan natin? So, kung ang sagot nyo, 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 20 kilometers, ganun po, di ba? Ganun ang sagot nyo. Now, ang tanong ko, meron po bang negative na kilometers? Like negative 50 kilometers, negative 5 kilometers? Yes or no? Meron po bang negative na distance or yung kilometers? Yes or no? May negative po ba? Type on the answer in the chat box, please. May negative nga ba na kilometers or distansya? Agileo, no. Carl, no. Matthew, no. Demifay, we have no. Ayan, Jan is no also. Meron nga bang negative? Pupunta ako ng Davao. Gano'ng kalayo yun siya? Negative 200 kilometers. Meron bang ganun? Wala po. So, yung sagot nyo na no is correct. So, yan yung tinatawag natin na absolute value or the distance. Pag sinabi mong absolute value, it is always positive and will never be negative. Okay, please copy the definition and type done if you're done. So we are 15 all in all. So I'll be expecting na marami pong nag-type ng done so that I could proceed. So waiting for the others to finish. So as we continue, that's the absolute value. Walang negative na absolute value. It is always positive. Okay? So the symbol for absolute value is it uses 2 bars. And sa gitna ng bar, merong number. So can you look at this example that I have? We have 3 that is an example of a absolute value of 3. So to read this one, that is absolute value of 3. Okay? So take a look at these examples. So we have absolute value of 4. Ibig sabihin po, ano daw po ang positive value niya? So kung positive 3 yan siya, so anong positive din 3? 3 din po. Next, absolute value ng negative 12. The absolute value of negative 12, ano daw yung positive number niya? That is 12 also. What about 7 minus 2? Subtract mo lang po. 7 minus 2, that is 5. And what is the positive value of 5? That is also 5. Ganun lamang po. So take note, kapag absolute value, kailangan nyo lang po siyang gawing positive. Okay? I-simplify nyo muna, then gawin yung positive. Tulad ng ginawa ko dito sa ating whiteboard. Okay, please copy the examples. Then type done if you're done. Okay, let's continue. So we go now to the next one, which is there are two types of solving the value of x. So last week we did the algebraic solving, wherein we follow the rules, we follow the properties, and we follow the laws in mathematics. And now we will be applying that algebraic solving into graphical solving. So what is this graphical solving? So it doesn't mean that we are going to solve here. Para lang siyang i-represent nyo yung answer into drawing or into an illustration. Okay, that is the two types of the solving process for the value of x. So algebraically and graphically. So let's continue. We have this example. The first one is 3x minus 4 equals 2. So 3x minus 4 equals 2. The rule states that all variables should be placed on the left side while all the constant or the numbers alone on the right side. So ililipat po natin si 4. So magiging 3x dito. So pag nilipat po natin siya from negative 4, magiging positive 4 na siya. So 2 plus 4. And 2 plus 4 is 6 and 3x here. So kung i-divide na natin, kung ano yung number dito sa taas, yun po i-divide po ninyo dito sa baba. So what is divided on the left side should be divided also on the right side. Okay? So we have now x divided by 3, that is 3. Okay? So I hope you got it. Okay, that is the process of algebraic solving or doing it algebraically. So ano naman yung tinatawag natin na graphical? So I have here a ruler. Mag-draw kayo ng line, meaning gagawa kayo ng number line. So lagyan ng arrow, lagyan din po ng arrow. Okay? Now, dito po, si 3 po is positive. So, hindi natin isusulat yung negative numbers na kasi positive naman si 3 yung sagot dito. So, we have here x equals 3 itong nasa box. Yan yung focus natin. So, if this is our 0, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, since 3, andyan na si 3, isi-shade na natin siya. And that is now our x. Okay, that is the graphical illustration of the x equals 3. Okay, so I hope you got it. So please copy. Then type done if you're done. Okay, so your turn. So I would like you to answer number 3. for your turn. Sige daw po, pakisagutan ng number 3 para kayo naman ang mag-solve. Then you post your answer, what will be the value of our x in number 3. Okay, I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Then post your answer after 2 minutes. Okay, if you're done, you may post your answer now on the chat box, please. From Ayan, we have 6, pero hindi daw siya sure. So we are 14 all in all, expecting for the others. So by the way, recognizing the attendance, we have Agileo, Angel, Asnya, Aswal, Carl, Ayan, Jan Michael, Matthew, Pearl, Zid. Kulang na tayo ng isa. Asral is 4, Asnya is 2. So let's reveal. Maybe. 6 daw po kay Matthew. 6 din po kay Carl. Okay, time's up. It's already 2 minutes. So let's reveal the answer. So for number 3, we have the given 3x minus 5 equals 4. Okay? So, lahat po ng variable dito sa left side, lahat naman po ng numbers nasa right side. So, from negative 5, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging plus 5 na siya. And 4 plus 5 is 9, then 3x. Then divide both sides by 3. 3, cancelled, x will become 3 now. So, the answer here is 3. So, therefore, yan na po yung gagawa natin ng, tama po kayo, 3 po ang sagot. 3 po, very good. So, lagyan natin siya ng graph. Pag gumawa kayo ng graph, you make sure na naka-straight line siya. What if tiko ang paggawa niyo ng graph? Mali po yun siya. Okay? Next, pag naglagay naman kayo, tingnan nyo, 3, that is positive. So, 0 dito sa kabila. So, dito ang positive sa right side. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to make sure na ang linya po ninyo is nasa gitna. Hindi po pwede na ang linya ninyo nasa taas nilagay. Hindi po pwede nasa baba. Dapat nasa gitna. Ganyan po ha. Okay, mali po yan. Next, lagyan nyo ng arrow. Dapat nasa line siya nakasentro. Hindi po pwede ang arrow nasa taas or nalampas. Hindi po yan pwede ganyan. Okay? So, next. 3. So, this is the answer. So, this is now our x here. So, ganun lang po pagsagot. Paano po nakuha ang 3? Tingnan nyo. 9 divided by 3. Ito po. Ilang 3 meron sa 9? Tatlo po ayan. So, paano po ulit nakuha si 9? 4 plus 5. So, saan naman napunta? Saan galing itong 5 na ito? So, yung 5 na yan, gi-move natin siya dito sa kabila. Kung nakapasok ka ng klase natin last meeting, so, ang tawag po dito, additive inverse. Ilipat po natin siya sa kabila. So, from negative, magiging positive. Okay, so we now have 3. Okay, next, let's have another example. By the way, you copy it first, then type down if you're done. Okay, allow me to erase it in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next. Number 2, we have number 2, negative 4x equals 1. So in this case, wala na pong kailangang i-move or ilipat-lipat because nakalagay na si variable sa left side, si number naman sa right side. Diretso na tayo sa divide. So negative 4, saan galing negative 4? Ito po, yung sa taas. So kung anong i-divide sa left side, i-divide din sa right side. Cancelled, x is equal to 1 and 4, negative 1/4. Okay, bakit naging negative 1/4? Si 1 po, positive. Si 4 po, negative. Magkaiba sila ng sign. Kapag magkaiba ng sign, diretso ka agad negative sa gitna. Then, 1 divided by 4, 1/4. Okay? So, the answer there is 1/4. So, paano natin yung i-graph ngayon? Si 1/4. So, can you take a look at this? So, I'll be drawing a line. Okay? So, si 1/4 po, negative. So, kung negative siya, ang zero natin dito sa pinakadulo. Kanina positive siya, ang zero natin dito nakuha. Ngayon, since negative siya, dito ang zero. Next. 1. Negative 1 rather. Okay. Ang gitna ng negative 1 is negative 1/2. Ang gitna naman negative 1/2 is negative 1/4. Okay, dito na yung negative 1/4 natin. Dito ang isi-shade. So this is now our x. So okay, please copy the solution for number 2. Type done if you're done. Okay, so for 2 minutes, I would like you to answer number 4 for your turn. So start, 2 minutes, then post your X, your answer in the chat box. Okay, times.
Sir, ano po ang number lang sila?
Number 4 po, number 4. Okay, if you have the answer now, please type in your answer on the chat box, please. Kung meron na pong sagot, pakitype lamang sa chat box. X equals 2 from Matthew. Same with Pearl. Astral is negative 2. Negative 2 din pala kay Pearl. Ayan is positive 2. Take note ha, kapag magkaiba ang sign, negative. Pag pareho ang sign, positive. Z, negative 2. Negative po daw, 2 po daw po. So, for Matthew, John, Carl, negative 2 pa din. Okay, let's reveal the answer. Allow me to erase this one. So the given is 7x minus 14. Okay, so equals negative 14 rather. So naka-arrange naman siya sa left side, naka-arrange na din siya sa right side. Let's proceed directly to division. Kung anong i-divide mo sa kabila, yun din po yung i-divide mo sa right side. Cancelled, x, 14 and 7. Magkaiba ng sign, so negative agad. 14 divided by 7. Ilang 7 meron sa 14? Dalawa po. So the answer here is negative 2. Okay, let's do the, tama po kayo, negative 2 po. Except na lang yung sa iba, yung nag-positive 2 kanina. So may mga problems na lang po sa inyo, normal problems, yung sign talaga. That is the very normal problem po sa grade 7, yung mga signs. Okay? So negative man siya. So saan ang 0 ilalagay? Sa left or sa right? Sa right, of course, kasi negative siya. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, nasulat na natin si negative 2. So pwede na siyang A-shade. So this is now negative 2. And our x is negative 2. Okay, please copy if you are done. Type done if you're done rather. Okay, so this is now our solution for number 4. So there is another skill also that we should be learning, the substitution skill. Okay, what is this substitution or substitute the values? So can we take a look with number 1 example? We have 3x minus 28 equals 2. Yan daw yung equation. What if daw ang x palitan natin ng 5? Will it make the equation true or false? Tingnan natin. So we have 3x minus 28 equals 2. Yan daw yung target natin, yung 2. Pero what if daw ang x lagyan natin ng 5? Palitan na daw natin ng 5. So 3x, magkadikit po sila. Since magkadikit sila, multiply yan siya. 3 times 5. Saan galing yung 5? Yung 5 na yan, ito yun siya. Oh. Okay? Yan yun siya. Next, minus 28 equals 2. 2 nga ba ang sagot kapag i-multiply natin or kapag i-simplify natin? So 3 times 5, that is 15, minus 28 equals 2. Okay, tandaan nyo, ang positive bayad, ang negative utang. So meron kang binayad na 15, may utang ka na 28. May kulang ka pa. Ang kulang mo ilan? That is 13. Kulang is negative. So negative 13 ang sagot. Is negative 13 equals ba kay 2? No, of course not. 2 is always equals to 2. Hindi siya maging negative 13. So therefore, unequal ang sagot dyan. Negative 13 is not equal to 2. And the statement here is, ay by the way, huwag mo muna lagyan ng unequal, lagyan mo ng ganyan. Question mark sa taas. Tapos negative 13 not equal to 2. Tapos dito lagyan ng false. Okay? Saan nilagay ang false? Dito sa taas ha, sa may question mark, wag dito sa baba. Kasi pag dyan sa baba, ibig sabihin ito yung false. Okay? So please copy example number 1 for the substitution of values. Type done if you're done. Okay, please type done if you're done so that I could proceed. Still waiting for the others. Okay, let's have your turn. Sobrahin ka na. So this is now your turn. 5x minus 5 equals 25, where x equals to 5. Okay, 5x minus 5 equals 25, where x equals 5. Okay, sige na, your 2 minutes starts now. You tell me if the statement is true or false. True or false lamang po isusulat. Okay, post your answer. You tell me if it is true or false. In the chat box, please. Tingnan natin. Okay, sabi daw po ni Asnya, true daw. Ayan, true. Paano naging true? Paano naging false? Tingnan natin. Okay, time's up. Still waiting for the others. Ano ba ang value ni x kanina pag solve nyo? So ano ba yung unequal niya or equal? Is it equal ba? Let's find out. So we have 5x minus 5 equals 25. So ang x, palitan natin ng 5. So 5 times 5 minus 5 equals 25. 5 times 5 is 25 minus 5. Are you sure? Sabi daw po ni Pearl and Matthew, false daw po. 25 minus 5, 20. Is 20 equal to 25? Of course, false. That is a false statement. So therefore, ganyan. So it's not true, it's a false statement. Okay? So, next. Okay, sa true or false, gagawa po kayo ng, meron pong game, 5 items po for 10 minutes. Complete solution, ay hindi, no need ang complete solution. Ay, no need ang complete solution. No need ang graph. You just need to write your complete solution on this. No need ang graph ha. So, parang ganito din siya. Lagyan nyo lang siya ng true or false. Tapos, kung unequal siya, lagyan nyo ng unequal. Kung equal siya, wag nyo siya slash. Okay? Ganito lang din pag-solve ha. So, you write your complete solution on your notebook and send it in our page and make it as our quiz number 18. So, Q number 18. Again, Q number 18, 5 points po ang tama. I know 4 points ang tama, 2 points po ang mali. Sino ang mag-check? Ako po ang mag-check. Okay, isa-send nyo lang po yan sa page natin. So the link will be sent after 30 seconds. Okay, just give me 30 seconds, class. Okay, game number 2 on the chat box, please. If there is a problem, please don't hesitate to chat on the chat box. Yes po, ask niya, 5 lang po ang isa-solve ninyo. There are only 5 items. Okay, since it is already 10:58, I would like you to turn on your cameras for the attendance. Then submit your activity anytime this day. Okay, in 5, cameras now, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, smile. Okay, goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Salamat, sir.
Bye po, sir. Thank you po.
Baba.
Bye, sir.